when the pulse of energy sweeps across the globe. Behind every secure transmission stands the silent vigilance of material science. Headquartered in Chaotou Town, Dongguan City, Guangdong Grandview Technology Company Limited occupies 25,000 square meters and employs nearly 200 people. We focus on the R&D, production, and sales of polymer-modified materials, delivering high-quality insulation protection solutions. Our core products include all types of heat-shrinkable tubing, medium and low-voltage heat-shrinkable, cold-shrinkable, and pre-molded cable accessories. It is widely used in the fields of electronics, electric power, new energy, rail transit, telecommunication, and industrial manufacturing. Grandview operates two major production systems: heat-shrinkable and cold-shrinkable technologies. In heat-shrinkable solutions, Grandview masters the complete process: raw material compounding, extrusion, irradiation, expansion, and packaging. We deliver high-quality, stable products precisely aligned with market requirements. In cold-shrinkable leadership, we specialize in power grid, rail transit, and heavy industries, providing tailor-made cold shrink solutions, including multiple types of cold shrink terminations, cable joints, separate screen adapters, busbar connectors, and other products. Innovation is the gene of Grandview. Strong R&D team deeply cultivates polymer modification and in-house materials with extraordinary performance. Independent laboratory runs through the whole process, performing rigorous testing that exceeds industry standards. From microstructure to extreme environmental validation, Grandview evaluates comprehensively the performance, reliability, and application potential of its products. ISO 9001 and IATF 16949 certifications underscore our commitment to quality, ensuring every product worthy of trust. Grandview's footprint spans 40-plus countries and regions. Our 10,000 square meter warehouse guarantees efficient delivery. Products empower industries worldwide, including white goods, new energy vehicles, electronics, and energy industries. We partner closely with State Grid and China's Southern Grid and offer OEM and ODM services for customized overseas projects. Grandview stands at the scientific forefront, driving innovation to expand smart hardware and green energy applications. We safeguard energy transmission with reliability and intelligence, illuminating a sustainable future for our world.